Welcome to Escom-es Solution Centre for Energy Harvesting Technologies. With our qualified and dynamic team, we aim to overcome the limitations of conventional sensors with our innovative energy harvesting solutions, which we believe are the foundation stone of Industry 5.0 and digital transformation. Thanks to our plug-and-forget sensor solutions that can harvest their own energy from battery-free, wireless and infinite energy sources, we enable data to be obtained from previously unreachable points. While saving complex cabling and battery costs, we also minimize environmental impact. The data transmission and power requirements of conventional sensors rely on complex and elaborate cabling infrastructures. The use of kilometers of cable carriers, conduits and supports requires hundreds of hours of labor. In addition, overtime and environmental influences can lead to signal loss, inaccurate measurements and potential safety threats such as fire. The solutions offered for the wirelessization of sensors use batteries. The use of batteries has battery life, explosion risk, labor costs and environmental damages. Industrial and digital smart transformations are limited by the freedom of data sources. This transformation cannot be fully realized without liberating data providers. Get ready for radical changes in the fields of temperature monitoring with WiT-es and pressure monitoring with WiPr-es. Completely overcome the difficulties of traditional sensors with our wireless, battery-free and maintenance-free sensors. WiT-es and WiPr-es generates its own energy from its environment. It works on the plug-and-forget principle with ultra-low power wireless technology. The energy it consumes, the data transmission speed and the temperature difference it needs for energy harvesting are at record levels. WiGate is a wireless gateway for WiPr-es and WiT-es that transmits data to PLC and SCADA systems. WiCore is a wireless control relay designed to work with WiT-es and WiPr-es, adjustable according to the temperature and pressure information received. With WiGate and WiCore, you can follow the instantaneous values we receive from WiT-es and WiPr-es with PLC and SCADA systems, as well as your data 24/7 with cloud technology. In line with our awareness, we are increasing our product range day by day, producing not only performance, but also green and sustainable new solutions. We are aware that the key factor for Industry 4.0, Industry 5.0 and digital transformation is the freedom of data providers. What about you? Escom-es